Hello, my name is Steve. I'm a regional manager at a pharma company. I moved to analyze visit compliance, focusing on visit duration and location of visit closure. I opened the corresponding report. After setting the required target metrics, I begin analyzing my employees' work effectiveness. One rep shows unusual patterns. I open the map-based daily route view to investigate. Reviewing his route for that day, I realize he managed his time inefficiently and skipped several high-priority visits. I noticed that on April 9th, 80% of the employees' visits were closed more than 300 meters away. I want to take a closer look at this employee's route, as I have the option to go directly from the report to the map of the routes for that day. On the route map, I can analyze how the employee moved throughout the day. His movements are shown in purple, where he saved visits and reported their completion is in blue, and where he was supposed to be is shown in green. After analyzing the employee's day, I realized that some visits were indeed closed, but not at the institution's location. Some of the visits were closed correctly. I have the option to take a closer look at specific visits. I can go directly from this map view to the card of a specific visit. After reviewing the employee's day, I conclude that he did not use his working time efficiently. I have a question that I would like to discuss with him during dual visits.